want to see my mama so I can get the money. I'm really scared to see her, so don't be laughing at me.
Lester?
No. Where you going trying to look all good? Over here making beats.
Who?
You.
This is my boys. I asked them to send me some
Right.
information.
Huh?
Put in the chair now. It's on the left side.
Thank you, mommy. Told you I had my father in my life. Yes. That's what mommy's for. Christmas.